1, 2, 3. Hello, friends. Oh no, that didn't sound like in unison.
Oh, well, I always record it 5 times anyways.
Okay,
so.
1, 2, 3. Hello,
friends.
Okay, my name's Anna.
I'm Jason.
And we're applying for The Amazing Race.
I am a full-time software engineer, but that's our dog. Well, that's her dog, Germ. I'm a software engineer, but I'd rather be a full-time skateboarder.
And I'm a IT project manager, but I'd rather be a full-time dog mom.
In my free time, I have a YouTube channel, and I make tutorials about how to skateboard, and that's actually how I met Anna. Do you want to tell a story, or should I tell a story?
Yeah, so basically one day I found Jason's videos in the YouTube shorts, and so I slid into his DMs. I said, hey, where do you skate? Because I was just thinking like, oh, if you skated in the Boston area where I lived, maybe we could like meet up and you can teach me how to skate more.
Yeah.
And that was almost 2 years ago.
Yeah.
You responded, and then we actually became friends. We started like video calling, and then eventually was like, oh, maybe we should meet up in person and do like some skate videos together. And so I flew out to San Jose to meet you for the first time. So yeah, so then we became friends and we started like going on skate trips together. And I would film Jason, and Jason would do great cool tricks, and I'd just work on my ollie the whole time.
We're gonna put a video of where like you're filming me at LA.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. There we go. And so I feel like through the skate trips, we got to know each other better, became closer friends, and got to like make cool videos along the way.
Yeah.
I've never seen you miss an ollie.
Don't say that now!
Okay, why should they pick us? We think you should pick us because every team that we've seen on the race has either known each other for a long time or are in relationships or are family members, but we haven't really seen any relationships that are just platonic guy girl
Hashtag not dating,
just friends relationships.
Yeah.
And people that like are genuinely just friends and want to like win the competition together.
Yeah.
There's a lot of same-sex friendships, platonic friendships, but
prove that's possible.
yes,
Guys and girls
exactly.
can just be friends.
Guys and girls can just be friends and win the amazing race together.
Yes.
What scares you the most, or what do you think will be the most challenging? I think the travel will take a toll on your body, and so like how will we face challenges when we're tired, and like how will you and I work together to like be a team when we're both like exhausted and like grumpy at each other.
And if we get into like a big fight, because I know we haven't really had a huge fight.
Exactly,
yet.
and so those are things that we have to think about.
Yeah.
We've come up with a solution that if we ever get into a fight, we're just both gonna always have a banana for each leg of the race. And when someone's grumpy at each other, it'll be like,
have you had your
Jason,
banana yet?
have you had your banana yet today?
Yeah.
And then I'll feed him a banana.
Uh-huh.
And you'll do the same to me if I'm being grumpy at
Yeah,
you.
we're gonna pull up that picture, aren't we?
Exactly. Where do you think you would do best? And which tasks?
I think puzzles. Puzzles are like one of the strengths.
Definitely anything logical or
maybe some of the
like,
music
critical
stuff also,
thinking.
because you used to play
Oh,
music.
yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna be good at?
Making alliances early on in the competition of
okay.
like finding out which teams we think will like mesh well together with, and like who I think will make it to the final, and that people that we want to like work with. I'm excited. Pick us. We'll show you all about our friendship and how good of friends we are, and I feel like people will like us and want to root for us to
Hopefully.
win. Hashtag just friends.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're good.
All right.
Bye.
Thanks.